Oh my God, I changed. Oh my God, they on the stage. Oh my God, I changed.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you see by the title, I have a vlog today. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So like I said, today is like a vlog. You know, take you on a day. As you know, we're going on vacation, so that's what the vlog is about. But yeah, as you just saw by the little clip in the beginning, it was a little cool and stuff. I just woke up. It is 8:11. Yes. And we have to leave at 9. So my mom and sister just ran out to go get some food, some breakfast, and come back. Yeah. And I had to go to sleep so early because I'm driving first and my mom's going to switch off when we get to the mountains. So, yes. And sorry about the bad angle. I need to bring a selfie stick so I don't gotta do this because it's irritating actually. So, yeah, let's get into it. Outfit. That's all really you can see because I can't have my shoes on the carpet right now. So yeah. Already know. You already know I'm back at it again. Ooh, period. But yeah, I'm gonna take my hair out. And then I also realized I needed to charge my AirPods, so it's been charging for the last 30 minutes. That's all it really needs to take to charge. But yeah. Hey. Hey y'all, how y'all doing?
I need you to walk it out right quick so she can poop and pee and bring it back down so I can put it in the trunk.
Alright, y'all take care of that. Alright. But rest is Maya.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Okay, y'all, everybody's like, come on. So I need to help him walk the dog and pack everything in the car, get the mirrors checked and everything, and water bottle, and let's go. So yeah, I see y'all in the car if I decide to film in the car. I will, hopefully. Which one is her key?
Driver. Oh, okay, because it's going to be too hot to be sitting outside.
Driver key. Oh, Lord, let's see.
You look all mad. Lexi, we're going to take you to Tiffany's, okay? And then we'll be back. Oh, turn the air on, girl. Put it on blast. Turn it all the way. No, turn it. Yeah. Yeah. You gotta turn the air on.
Oh. Is your parking thingy over here?
It shouldn't be. Do you want me to get us out of here? Get us out of the driveway?
No. Am I going right here?
You can just go all the way out.
was a struggle trying to put this up. So if it falls, then it falls, but hopefully it'll stay here the whole time. Yeah, girl, it's Friday. Maybe
It's on my hot spot.
Yeah, I think so.
I
But
like the air zone.
it is on.
Oh no! Turn the thing right here. Yeah. Why'd you put that on there?
It was already like that when I got
It should. All right. So does Tiffany know we're going over there now, or you want to text her? Okay.
You know, I don't want to put it right here, so
No, you're fine.
sorry, ready to go?
We are, honey.
Oh, I can't have this. Y'all know y'all.
I love my family. I know that, right?
I love my family too. I love you guys.
I'm just so thankful for y'all, and you know.
Is there anything y'all want on?
I mean, I can't really eat right now. I mean, I can't eat. Now that time you fed me that fish with all them bones in it. That was nasty.
She said she would have eaten it if she would have known.
If it was bones in it, I would have wanted you to take it out.
And if
Can't
it's
take
good.
it out. There's.
How do they take bones out of fish, but the fish still be shaped like a fish? Do they
I just
remold
thought
it?
they just didn't have bones.
Which way am I going? To the left lane?
Yeah.
Mommy, I want my chocolate.
Are we doing separate orders or what?
Yeah, we just
Hi, good.
We don't want the meal, but just spicy.
Can I get the spicy chicken sandwich?
Yes, ma'am. The meal?
No, not the meal. Just the entree.
All right. Anything else?
An 8-count nugget.
An 8-count nugget.
All right.
Y'all want both fries, so what? 2 large fries?
So 2 large fries.
You got it.
That'll be it.
And that'll be it.
All right.
Oh.
Any sauces or condiments?
Chocolate chip cookie, sorry.
Oh, you're good.
And honey mustard and Polynesian.
Put it right in the back.
What's the name on it?
Dawn and April.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm playing with you.
That's all right.
Yeah, back to back.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Fries, sandwich.
Like I was saying, we're in Shelby, North Carolina, and me and my mom just switched. So she's gonna drive the rest of the way because the mountains are gonna be coming up very soon. But yeah. Ew.
You're late. Me too.
Is that part?
Yeah. We'll take your time. There's nachos.
Like, we can get it. What are we looking at?
We don't look at the name of it, I guess. Yeah.
Now I guess I'll just go straight to the meal. What you gonna do?
Y'all, so we're at this place where they have to be mean to you.
The other man, the first video we saw,
This is not it. They just made everyone quiet because my mom was on the phone. Threw all the stuff on the table. I'm scared, y'all.
the wrong way. Oh, Lord. Oh! Thank you! What does this say?
Don't read it yet.
Oh, don't read it?
Don't read it at all. Until I... Yeah, that's true about her.
Yeah.
No, you can't read it, mommy. Turn this way. Turn this way again.
I didn't catch it.
Oh, my food.
Can we look at ours? All of ours? You like it better than like other places? You happy to pay? You happy with what you want to do?
Okay, if you want to stop mumbling. Honey mustard, what else? Ketchup. Ketchup. You have it the first time? You ain't even gonna use all this. Does she need a jar of fish? Okay. What else? You didn't say cheese. Oh my God. What kind of cheese do you want? What kind of cheese do you want?
I guess American.
American.
Yeah.
What else?
That's it.
I'm not making 12 trips. That better be it.
Okay. Bye.
Can you?
Oh. Toss it. Oh. Y'all see she's about to ride this thing called the skyscraper, y'all. Did I say it right? Skyscraper. She's gonna ride by herself. She crazy, y'all. She crazy. Look at this chat right here. Look at this. Don't get sick. Say what? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I got space. I'm gonna probably go right there though. Oh, look at that right there.
I know, I saw that.
That's kind of cool. Wouldn't that hit the people that's driving? It's kind of low.
You got this! Just breathe! Hold your breath!
How long is the ride, sir?
Couple minutes.
Okay, good. Couple minutes. You heard that, right?
You got it! You got it, Maya! You got it!
You should have went with her then. I would have felt a little better. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at Maya. Oh my gosh. This cow is crazy. Oh my gosh! Oh, let's see if she can walk. Yes, she did that, y'all.
Hey guys, so so sorry about the angle and all the background noise. We got back to the hotel. I just got the shower. Everybody else is getting in the shower now. But yeah, it is currently 8:03, and as you see by I can't talk. As you saw by the last clip, I had went on a mini little ride by myself. It was so fun. We also did some go-kart racing. Don't get it twisted. We were safe the whole time. Had gloves, masks, every piece of our body covered up. So yes. Anyways, I'm about to go because my phone is about to die. It was charging, now it's not. But yeah, I'll talk to you later if anything changes. But for right now, this is a goodbye till tomorrow morning.
Ain't no been with a chick that bad.